Hello, this is KCSE 2022 November Maths Paper 1, Section 1. Welcome to Tuchopini. So we'll start by solving question number 1. (6n) all over n minus 1 is equals to 25 over n. So we cross multiply, we have 6n multiplied by n is equals to n minus 1 multiplied by 25. This gives us 6n squared is equals to 25n minus 25. Let's form a quadratic equation whereby we have 6n squared minus 25n plus 25 is equals to 0. So the product is equals to 50, 25 times 2, 50 times 3, 150. Product is 150. You take this, multiply by this to get the product. Sum is equals to negative 25. You use this value that is in the middle. So what two numbers when multiplied give us 150 positive, and when they are summed up together give us 25. Believe that is negative 25, negative 15 and negative 10. When you multiply them, they give you what? They give you 150. When you add them, they give you negative 25. So we can simplify this by saying now we have 6n squared minus 15n minus 10n minus 25 is equals to 0. So here let's factor out, it's 3n to bracket, that gives us 2n minus 5. Then we have minus 5, right? Bracket 2n. It's going to give us, when I put, it's going to be plus. Let's see, it's going to give us plus. Oh, this is a plus. Sorry, this is a plus. This is a plus here. You can see it was a plus here. I'm so sorry for that. So we have negative 2n. Then we put a negative 5. Negative 5. We'll close it. So when you multiply this, it's going to be 6n squared minus 15n minus 10n plus 25. So it's okay. So we say 3n minus 5, 2n minus 5 is equals to 0. So we can have two possible values of n. First one is 3n minus 5 is equals to 0, which gives us 3n is equals to 5 divided by 3 divided by 3. That gives us n is equals to 5 over 3. Then the second one is 2n minus 5 is equals to 0. So we have 2n is equals to 5 divided by 2 divided by 2. Then we have n is equals to 5 over 2. Okay, so that's how we solve the first question.